welcome back to Saleh Live Channel. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm back again. The Mzansi Soap Stories, and today talking about the new story, guys. Angazi ukuthi ke siniphethe kanjani, nibona ukuthi ke nizosithanda yini istory ke sesha ke iGenesis, guys. On the previous episode, guys, ibonile ukuthi ke uphila Yesu washona, and ifamily ke kaThabethe ihambile ke yawobona laphana ke kubo kaMaruna, and ba surprise ke mabefika lapha umama ke kaMaruna exosha ke uGabriel kanye nonkosikazi wakhe ke uFelicia ethi ke abahambe, and uFelicia was like, hayibo, why engasho kabuhlungu kanje ukuthi sihambe senzeni, because we are like ifamily thina manje. But ke guys, abantu ke basuspecta ukuthi uGabriel uyena ke ubaba kaPhila, uGabriel oku father-in-law kaMaruna, uyena ke wakhulisa uMaruna ingane ewuphila. So kuba sengazi ukuthi ke kuzoba khona ke isimo soshintsha kuloya muzi. I'm not so sure ukuthi indaba lezi zizophuma zaziwe ngabantu yini, kodwa nje impilo ke kaGabriel kanye ke nonkosikazi wakhe ke uFelicia ayisazoba right, guys. Mabu check lapha kuma comment noma ke mo check lapha, guys, kuma teasers kuyavela ukuthi ke uFelicia would set out all her boundaries clearly for all to see whether they like it or not. So nje kuzoba khona ukushukushukuma okuzokwenzeka, and I don't know what will happen nge engagement kaMaruna ke nentodana yakhe uGabriel, my stepson sika Gabriel. But nje, guys, uGabriel hayi engazi ukuthi indoda engokuzuyethemba, but ke ey'toreni ey'ningi vele unokudlala ke yona le ndawo yakhe yokuba njena. Niyamkhumbula nalaphana ke edlala ke no mama ke ukhoni kwakuyistory sini kambe lesa sengisikhohlwe, guys, but nje la khona wekade nje engekho ngasi umuntu right kulesa story lesiya. So guys, yeah man, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Bengiphoze, guys, ivideo istory sasithi iGomora wedlala uGomora and wedlala nje iphathi ngekho right.